As you can see, the passenger side is on. It did take a few hours if you're doing it alone to put these on. Well, on the passenger side. Everything looks really good, rock solid. However, when you come over to the driver's side, the frame architecture is different. They do not have pre-drilled holes for these bolts, so you have to put in a bar with pre-drilled holes through these accesses. They're on both sides, front side and back. The only problem is their instructions are horrible. They tell you to tie these strings and give you a copper wire, which is actually to fish out these lines, but they don't tell you that. They use technical speak and schematic drawings that are like from, I don't know, 1990s shop class or something. But I was able to figure it out. You have to tie these strings here onto the bar, fish them through the back side of the access hole here, which is a larger opening right here, which they don't tell you. Yeah, right here. And then use the copper wire to pull out the string, or you can tie the copper wire, which is right here, to the string, and gosh, you have to figure it out yourself. Technical support, when I called them, was you just put the bar into the frame and essentially figure out, because none of the techs at RCI could give me more than that. So that's like a 1 out of 10 for technical support from RCI. The product itself is heavy duty. Now, these bars, they tell you to leave a string tied to the frame somewhere in case you want to pull it out. I'll tell you what, you will never want to pull out these support bars inside the frame because it's such a pain in the ass. So, not so good for RCI. Other than that, you have to spare about 12 hours of your time. I guess you can cut that in half if you had a friend to help support, but you know, that's the only thing a friend will be good for, to help you align things. You still have to tighten the bolts and figure this horrible instruction booklet out yourself. But again, product is awesome. These instructions, not so awesome. What is that supposed to be? And this is supposed to be. Strings 1 and 2, a threaded plate as viewed from the inside of the vehicle looking out. I don't even know what this is. I guess that's the frame. There it is. Well, anyways, if you lay out the parts first, you can kind of figure it out better too. So this is the setup for the single person rock sider, the RCI 22 Plus Tundra. Driver side install. Balance it on a jack between the cross members with a wood block. These bolts, if you align it just right, which takes anywhere between 30-40 minutes, the bolts will come through without the washers. And then you put the washers through them. But you have to keep the alignment just right. Okay, I need both hands, and this is an iPhone. But hopefully you guys get the point.